Miami Vice got one thing absolutely right. You can look incredibly sharp in summer without having to look stiff or too formal in a suit. But here's the challenge. When trying to recreate this look, you don't want to end up looking like you're going to an 80s theme party in a costume. Today I'm showing you 10 ways to capture that relaxed warm day elegance that's still relevant in a modern man's wardrobe. From casual to more formal outfits. Let's dive in. Before we get into the 10 outfits, let me show you the 2 principles from Miami Vice we can transfer to current times, because understanding why these work is what makes them adaptable. Principle 1. Relaxed pieces meet sharp tailoring. Miami Vice took traditional dressy items, blazers, tailored trousers, and mixed them with casual pieces like t-shirts, open collar shirts and sockless loafers, wearing everything with ease. They solved the problem of looking put together without being overdressed in the heat. And they provided in the 80s that you don't need to abandon sharp tailoring in a casual wardrobe. Principle 2. Confident color through pastels and neutrals. And here's perhaps the most iconic feature, that pastel palette. Pale pink, mint, peach, cream and white. These colors feel summery and work together tone on tone without overwhelming. Now the best part is you don't need baby blue and pink suits to achieve that relaxed summer style today. I will show you the framework for modern application. Use muted pastels in small doses. A paste tone blazer, light trousers, soft pastel shirting. You'll feel stylish, intentional and never costumey. Now let's see how these 2 principles create 10 completely different looks you can wear today. I've organized these into 3 categories: foundational looks, variations and confidence builders. Let's start with the foundations. For the first look, let's start with an iconic look that's the essence of that relaxed, sharp summer aesthetic. We have a white polo shirt, light grey or off-white wool linen trousers, a light blue summer corduroy double-breasted blazer and aviator sunglasses. Now Miami Vice actors were famous for wearing a t-shirt under their tailored jacket. I think a polo shirt is the better option here and more useful as a casual item than a t-shirt, because its color has that slight dressiness that supports the tailored blazer and trousers. Light blue and white work so well here, and the slight shoulder padding of the jacket gives this look its sharpness without ever losing that relaxed approach to tailoring. The aviator sunglasses are typical of that 80s aesthetics and match this look perfectly. Outfit 2. Here's how to do a full pastel suit without looking costumey. Pistachio green with a white polo shirt. We have a pastel color suit with a white polo shirt. The slightly saturated green offers a subdued color. For that reason, it's easy to style with relaxed casual items. You don't need strong pinks and blues to look summery and casual in a suit look. Subdued pastel colors take away from that formality while offering a relaxed approach to tailored summer styling. Alternatively, you can try other light colors with only a little saturation, such as tan, beige, light blue, etc. Now for our third look, we have a light grey or off-white wool linen jacket. This is perhaps the easiest jacket to adapt to modern styling. I paired it with sand cotton chinos and a light blue linen shirt. The light grey jacket allows the light blue shirt to pop, exuding that pastel blue tone. Also the sand of the chinos is amped up thanks to it. The cotton and linen elements make this a relaxed, summer-appropriate look that's breathable. The double-breasted jacket and the high-waist chinos honor the 80s aesthetics when men revised and embraced classic elements of the golden menswear age of the 1930s. Now we move into variations. These next 3 outfits show how the Miami Vice principles adapt to different contexts, darker pieces, broken up suits and adding formality when you need it. Now what about making use of a classic like the navy blazer? It perfectly fits into that relaxed but structured aesthetic. Take a navy blazer with light linen trousers and a textured shirt. The double-breasted navy blazer with dark mother of pearl buttons plus the light dark contrast between upper and down is a stylish winner. The shirt deserves some extra attention here. The textured dobby shirt with blue and purple stripes adds that pastel color palette to the outfit. Again, it's very subtle. These little details make it a subdued look that has that Riviera polished look stylish men can and should pull off today. For the next outfit, let's see how to style a white shirt. Here we have a linen cotton blend shirt worn under the linen wool jacket, styled with the previous pistachio green suit's trousers. See how the trousers add that pastel tone while seemingly integrated into the whole outfit? The pocket square in beige with green accents picks up on the trousers, making this a well-balanced look from head to toe. Don't be afraid to break up suits for casual refined looks. The formula, keep one slightly colored piece, make everything else neutral. That's your great outfit. Outfit 6. Actually, these next two variations deserve to be at the top of this video. This is formality in a summer-appropriate manner. I paired a medium blue shirt with a single-breasted light grey suit in a tropical wool and a green navy regimented tie. I also paired it with a light grey linen wool suit and a dark blue leaning purple tie in a cotton silk fabric. Why does this work so much while still looking appropriately summery and relaxed? The medium blue shirt with its saturated color, definitely more interesting than a light blue shirt. Plus, the two not so conservative ties and the light suits are a winner combo. They exemplify that tailored clothes can absolutely feel effortless, relaxed and absolutely sharp. If we can learn something from Miami Vice looks, it's that stylish men should embrace tailoring within less rigid and formal manners. Think business casual, summer parties, beach bar outings. Now, if you don't want to go all in with a tie look, you must try these smart casual combos. These looks demonstrate how easy and effortless it is to get dressed. Take any light colored suit or sports jacket and pair it with a dark polo shirt or linen shirt. Here I paired my single-breasted suit, linen jacket and double-breasted jacket with a dark blue linen shirt. They all share that open weave construction, making it breathable and less formal. You may also pair it with white jeans. That light colored aesthetic plus a dark shirt is also a strength of the 80s aesthetic that should still be pulled off by stylish men today. Now for the confidence builders. These final three outfits show progressively bolder applications of pastels, starting subtle, building to full commitment. If you've been hesitant about color, these will change your mind. Here's versatility. For this outfit I've paired a light grey suit with my favorite dress shirt this year, the light purple pinpoint Oxford shirt. Light purple is a fantastic way to incorporate pastel colors into your outfit without looking like a costume. It's a distinguished look that makes dressing a true joy. Pair it with a dark tie or leave it open neck. Again, the light grey suit demonstrates its extreme versatility, being able to work with just any classic shirt available. It's really a must-piece for spring and summer. With this look, I hope to demonstrate that a light tie can be paired with a light suit. The pastel yellow and the purple blue striped shirt work together as a dream team. It's summery, relaxed and perfect for any daytime event from spring through summer. Light suits deserve much more wear and they show that they perfectly tick the boxes for relaxed dressiness, which is really one of the most rewarding ways to style when everyone else is wearing their basic t-shirt and jeans looks. Now, how could we forget the pink shirt? A list of 80s Miami Vice inspired outfits couldn't go without it. I paired it with a light grey wool linen jacket and white jeans. It doesn't require you to be a Don Johnson to pull this off. A pink shirt is still widely worn today. It pairs well with ties and business suits too. Wear it as the focal point and keep the rest subdued. It's stylish, summer appropriate and easygoing. And that's the beauty of these Miami Vice principles. They scale from subtle to bold, but they always work. I hope these 10 looks showed you that Miami Vice inspired style is still relevant and doesn't require you to look like an 80s costume. Follow my framework and you'll have great outfits for spring and summer for years to come. If you found this valuable, let me know which outfit you will try first in the comments. And if you want more framework-based menswear education, subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.